me did have to dig up the doctor, the lady who run the gender office, cause mama run out on them, yo. Run out on them, mommy. Run out on them. May I play some clip and make you hear what she say. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. I call for the gender minister to come out and say certain things to the public, and she finally did it. But me have a talk about them little bottom feeder, you know. But before me do that, me have to give the doctor, madam, she run out on them, and this lady right here is very serious. And I know I am not the only one who called for the gender minister to come out. Other locals did it too, and what she did right here, me respect it to the bones. Mama run out on them, and me can't stop talking about it. I am gonna play a couple of her clips so we can hear what she say. Alright? Boy, me not lie. Me love how the doctor run out on them, the gender minister. This lady right here, she mean business. Look at her face. This lady is not playing. Like I said, I'm gonna talk about them other bottom feeder, but me did have to dig up the doctor, the lady who run the gender office, cause mama run out on them, yo. Run out on them, mommy. Run out on them. May I play some clip and make you hear what she say. Let's go.
For Gender Affairs Minister Dr. Virginia Albert Poyot, it's not enough to offer lip service. Action is required.
We have just completed a review of the Women's Support Center to determine the status of that entity. We also have the Crisis Center, which government, they have just established a new board, and they have written to the Department of Gender indicating that they have to vacate the location where they are. And we are actually trying to secure additional funding from government to give them the support. But we are waiting for the new board to put their programs in place so that we can give that entity a new outlook when they resume their operations in the new location where they will be. However, in the meantime, the Department of Gender will be giving them some space at least to deal with the clients that come in while we establish a new location for them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Before, it was only the victim who could report. Now, any bystander or any person who sees or knows of the incident can report the matter to the police. And the legislation also speaks to the woman or the victim does not have the right to withdraw the case. You cannot withdraw the case. You cannot waste the police time starting the case and later you say you are not coming and you are not appearing. They will proceed with the case. And we have also engaged in training for the police officers on how to deal with domestic violence issues. They did not know how to handle. They handle all cases as a criminal matter. But when it is domestic violence, a domestic violence incident, they have to document it differently to just a regular crime matter. And in that case, we have done training for the police officers on how to handle domestic violence.
Number one, no boy can be the boss, a countryman. Me and my own a bumbuckler boss. You understand? So that's a very puzzling. So I guess that would coincide with fear. So if people fear you, you become the boss. But one thing I tell the boss them, you see when people fear you, you're going to end up in a bad situation. If you're a boss, you can make people love you. May I tell you now where I go down with the crew here. Now, you have Marlon, Imagi, Soso, Mr. Jeremy and Bellamy. They are authority to hold the gun them and lead the man them. Now one day, Killer Pops went on our works and him did have to run leave him phone and a gun. He told Soso to go back down there in a catch please and go for the gun and go for the phone. Soso went back and said him to find the phone. He never find the gun. So that caused a rift now because Killer Pop, him have to give back Marlon something for the gun. And them want him to give back him chain, which him do from the gold robbery, from the Trinidad boy. And it seems like he did, because now them have him working in construction. Killer Pops, he must stop rolling up him mouth, say him a go kill Soso and kill Marlon, because them trick him and take him gold and whatnot. So right now, in Killer Pop, he now flex with them. But one thing me, I will tell him say, you cannot fight a war if you do not have any money. And them man they like Marlon, them have more money than you. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna end up trick you and murder you. So I am telling you, Pops, you need to jump ship. Killer Pop, you need to jump ship on them money, because right now, may I tell you from my experience, what is going on between you and them? Because number one, them fear you. Because of you kill enough man. You kill Sherma and White Boy amongst other things where you do. And them know that. But you still have a chance, my youth. You can push out on them and turn them into the police and get rid of them and start your life over. There's more to life, you know, than just doing bullshit, you know, and talk about you have this boss, that the boss. Turn them in. You see, if you don't turn them in, Pops, to the police, or if you're afraid to do that, call me Countryman. And me will organize it so you don't get catch and make the man them things say you are do it. You understand? But you need to turn them in to the police. That are the only way you're gonna get them off of you. If not, sorry to say, but them are gonna murder you. So, you see you a big pussy. I mean, I tell you why you a big pussy. That boy named Mark, that dreadlocks boy, him come out of jail. And him and you a roll, but Marlon give Uno the block in a Bagatelle for run. And just imagine, Soso do how much things for you. You understand? And make you have a name. And you switch upon the man. And a par with the bottom feeder, yeah, he might talk about rich badness. And they don't soon dead, but rich. None of them rich. You know what riches is? Eh? You know what riches is? Only is some sick motherfucker. That's what it is. Only is not no rich badness. But Soso, let me tell you something. Unfair game, play twice. That's why me I tell Killer Pop for run out pan Uno cause now pussy. Him for turning it into the police. You understand? Me know him have some things where him have to deal with too, but it would have been better if him turn on in to the damn police and the police will work with him. You understand? Me know that as a fact. Now, before I go, look at that picture right there. There's one commonality in that picture. So you have two guys on the left, that's Soso and Denzel Prosper, aka Kodak. Now, in the middle picture, that's Denzel, aka Killer Pop, to the right, and to the left, there is Soso. Now, when you look to the right, that's the bottom feeder mark will come out of prison. Cause him kill a guy in the CDC years ago. That dreadlocks right there with the fake dread, and him get time. So him come out, and guess who's in the picture? Soso. So you see Killer Pop, the man them Soso, him not stop from clear you. You understand? And this is the proof. So I'm telling you again, my phone number is open to you if you want to call me, and we can chit chat. But I'm just to show you a thing. The man them a go kill you. Them a go kill you. And there is no if and about it. And how me know that? From my experience and how they're treating you. And they're also afraid of you. Listen, we have more things coming up, because guess what, Killer Pop, I have some more things to talk about you know. So you say you're gonna call me, I go drop it you know, I drop them. You understand? And I have a whole heap more things for them boy. So listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.